Hello everyone. In forest and forest management, today we will discuss about afforestation. What is afforestation? Afforestation is process of planting trees or sowing seeds in barren land devoid of any trees to create a forest. Afforestation is process of planting trees or sowing seeds. When this they after the sowing of tree, they become new plant in a barren land. Barren means the area which having very poor soil to produce any vegetation or plant. Barren land devoid of any trees. Devoid means they lack of any trees to create forest. Afforestation is process of planting trees or sowing seeds in very poor soil which is poor to produce any vegetation, and in this land creating a new forest is afforestation. The art of creation of new forest is called afforestation. This is the art for creating or creation of new forest. It refers to the process of sowing seed or planting tree in area that do not have trees to create new forest. The term should not be confused with reforestation. There is major difference between afforestation and reforestation. So you should not be confused between them. Reforestation is the process of specifically planting native trees into forest that has decreasing number of tree. For example, we have native tree. Native tree means the tree which is present in particular area, only in particular area. These trees are native trees. In reforestation process, the planting of native trees into the forest and it decrease in number if these native trees are decreasing in number, while reforestation is increasing number of tree in existing forest. In reforestation we are planting the native trees they, which place where already presence of trees, and afforestation is creation of new forest. So you should not be confused here. Objects of afforestation. Afforestation is programmed to help achieve following benefits. To increase total area of forest in the country. To increase total area of forest, that means increase the number of area in country, area which having forest in country. To produce timber for house construction and industries. Timber means uh, wood which is used in a furniture and for construction of house. To increase production of fuel woods. To reduce rate of soil erosion. To protect catchment of rivers. Catchment means the rainwater is collected. Catchment means the area in which rainwater is collected. To increase natural beauty of landscape. Tree increase the beauty of particular landscape. Importance of afforestation. First, provide an alternative source of tree product. In today's world, the rate at which tree grows naturally in forest is much slower than trees are cut down for the production. In today's world, as we all know that the trees are not grown. There is a trees are grown naturally in forest is very much slower than tree which are cut down every day. This increased demand of tree product and has put pressure on forest. This increased demand on tree product and increase in forest decrease in forest. It is a deforestation. Deforestation means removal or being less number of forest. Afforestation is helping the pressure on natural forest by providing alternative source of tree products. Afforestation is help to natural forest to providing alternative source of tree. It is mostly done for commercial purpose. It is mostly forestation is mostly done for commercial purpose. Second one, increase supply of tree that are in high demand. In commercial world, the demand is usually high for a specific type of tree. Specific type of tree means some trees are very valuable and expensive. So this type of tree having high demand, and if these type of tree are present in forest, they are already cut down, and the growth rate of tree is very slow. Afforestation allow plant the type of tree in demand, promoting fast propagation of specific type of tree. Afforestation helps to remove the to help to natural forest and plant this type of tree and promoting the fast propagation of specific type of trees. Third one, protecting natural forest. Protecting natural forest without providing alternative source of tree product is very difficult and unsustainable. Protecting natural forest without providing alternative source of tree is very difficult and unsustainable. However, when commercial tree users have alternative source of supply, protecting natural forest also lead to other benefits that come with increased tree forest cover, like preservation of catchment, wetland and riverside zone. If plantation is done by afforestation, that means that it protect natural forest. So protecting natural forest also lead to the benefits to what kind of area? Catchment means area which is flooded, area which is in which rainwater is collected, that is catchment. Wetland, area which is flooded by water either permanently or seasonally. And riverside zones. Fourth one, environmental benefits. Planting trees in barren land on some occasion is more beneficial than planting tree in depleted or depleting forest. Planting tree in bare land. Bare land means the area which having poor soil, or this area doesn't have any kind of trees. Planting trees in bare land on some occasions like some occasions of Independence Day, it is more beneficially than planting trees in depleting forest. Depleted means empty forest. Empty forest means forest area which is covered by tree, and some of the area which is nearer to the forest having less tree, this is depleting forest. In depleting forest, it having, if tree planting done in forest, it doesn't work like planting in empty or bare land. Why? Because forest having fertile soil. In rainy season or monsoon, there are more possibility to grow tree naturally than bare land. In bare land, there is very less possibility to grow naturally. Planting tree in depleted or recovering forest help to restore the ecosystem area. But planting tree in barren land help to create new ecosystem. Most governments and institutes have used afforestation to help by plantation in arid and semi-arid area to make it productive area. What kind of arid and semi-arid area? Like desert. Some institutes and government helps in have used afforestation process in semi-arid and arid area to make it productive land. Fifth one is value addition. It is easy way to transfer barren land by planting trees. Land with tree is more attractive and valuable than barren land. Whether one seeking to develop or sell property, planting tree is sure way to increasing the property's value. We observe in city that in the developing area or new area, plantation is done by developers to make it attractive. So trees added value in property. Various advantages of afforestation. A constant supply of forest product. By the afforestation, we can get the constant supply of forest products. Planting tree in the land that was not previously productive ensure that the supply of essential products does not stop. For harvesting is highly regulated. It is usually common for governments to put a ban on forest harvesting, which can be detrimental for a business that fully relies on forest supply. Afforestation provides people and business with reliable alternative source of forest supply. Forest harvesting is highly regulated, and this is the process that we can't stop because we used many forest products in our daily life. It is usually common for government to put a ban on forest harvesting, as we all know that there is a ban on forest harvesting, which causing harm to which causing harm for a business that is fully dependent on forest supply. Afforestation provide people and business with reliable alternative source of forest supply. Afforestation provides alternative source to that business and those people as a source of forest supply. Creating new forest also provide the community with fodder, fruits, firewoods and other valuable resources necessary for humans. In addition to making the resources available, afforestation also ensures that the resources are sustainable for future. Second one is prevent soil erosion. Soil erosion is common problem in barren land. Barren land is not the best place to be on windy day. Windy day. Barren land experience strong wind that carry large particle of soil, causing soil erosion, while also negative affecting air quality. Barren land also subject to flooding when it's rain. It resulting topsoil being transported to rivers and water source in the area. Afforestation help to address all issue of soil erosion in barren land at the same time. Afforestation help to solve this issue of soil erosion in barren land. Tree act as a wind barriers. Barriers mean as a fencing or as a wall. Tree act as a wind barrier, thereby weakening of the speed of wind. Tree weakening the speed of wind and reducing its impact and ability to carry big soil particle. Tree roots also hold the soil together and tightly making sure that soil stays in a place during the flooding. When the flooding, those roots of trees are roots of tree are hold the soil particles so that it cannot move. Tree leaves and branches also help to reduce the impact of raindrop on the ground, preventing water drop erosion. Keeping the soil in place ensure that the farmers have fertile soil to grow crops. Soil that high tidally is also less prone and to landslide, especially in hilly and mountain region. In hilly and mountain region, soil erosion ratio is very high. So, to prevent soil erosion, the afforestation process is done by government and institutes. Stabilize the climate. Planting tree is proven way to transforming arid and semi-arid areas. Place with more tree experience frequent rain and thus planting tree is perfect way to stabilize climate. Tree also reduce greenhouse effect, preventing warmer temperature as they are the world's only natural air conditioners. Trees are stabilized. That means it makes stable the climate. So they are also known as natural air conditioners. Tree has the potential of a reversing global warming and climate change. Global warming is a major concern for global leaders and environmentalists. As such, more and more people are being encouraged to plant the trees in their garden. Afforestation is one of the recommended way to addressing global warming. Trees help reverse the greenhouse effect through the process of photosynthesis as they act as a carbon sinks. In other words, establishing new forests create new carbon dioxide holding area, reducing carbon dioxide in the environment. Overall outcome is reduction of effect in global warming. By the process of afforestation, we can reduce the effect of carbon and overall outcome in overall outcome we reduce the effect of global warming. Better quality of air. Tree play an important role in purifying the air. People in areas with tree are less likely to suffer from air related conditions. Tree purify carbon dioxide and offer oxygen through photosynthesis. In last few decades, people have been producing more and more carbon dioxide through their activities. What kind of activities? Anthropogenic activities like driving, burning fossils, and industrial activities, resulting more carbon dioxide in the air. Imbalance has led to more toxin in the air. In addition to the carbon dioxide, the greenhouse emission, human activities like construction and driving create dust particles in the air and which affect the quality of air. Trees not only purify the carbon dioxide but they also purify greenhouse emission. They also trap the soil particle in from the air and resulting in better air quality. Improved watershed. Watershed means partition of water or division of river. We can say basin, river basin. Without clean water, the earth cannot support lives. Humans and animals rely on clean water for their survival. Hence, the need to protect the watershed. Although most efforts on restoring the existing watershed, afforestation plays major role to creating new watershed. People living in the arid and semi-arid area, means in desert area, are the most affected when it's come to lack of clean water for consumption and household use. Trees are being more rain. Trees help to bring more rain in particular region. Tree also ensure that water is better held in soil, improving underground water table. Tree help to improving underground water table. Preservation of wildlife. When the forest diminish, the wildlife also diminish. Wild diminish means become less in a number. Wild animals suffer most when human interrupted forest and their other habitat. Today, most of places where humans have built cities and estates used to be grazing place of the wildlife. As human activity continue to expand, the number of wildlife is in protected area is less. Furthermore, unless drastic measures are embraced, most of these animals will become extinct. Afforestation helps to ensure that there are enough forests to wildlife to survive in. Provision of employment and economic opportunities. Afforestation provide employment and economic opportunities. The timber industry is big employer. In construction industry, Timber products are basic component of every building. However, before they become ready for final use in the construction site. They undergo detailed processing. For example, before hardboards can be used in a construction drawers, they have to process round timber. The wood is not directly used as a timber, but after many process it is used as a timber, so it provides the employment to many people. The process involves different stages that require unique set of skills that need to hire different workers. Since afforestation is process of turning barren land into forest, they require a huge number of laborers to perform different tasks including soil digging, sowing seed, water planting, harvesting of tree. સોઇલ ડિગિંગ એટલે જમીનને ખોદવાનું કામ કરે. સોઈંગ સીડ મીન્સ જે સીડ્સ હોય એને વાવવાનું કામ કરે. વોટરિંગ પ્લાન્ટને વોટર આપવાનું કામ કરે. અને હાર્વેસ્ટિંગ કટ કરવાનું જે કામ કરે એ. That means it provides the platforms to many workers. Most of people employed in this land are previously unemployed and usually poor. In the era where most effort by administrator and policymakers are the protecting indigenous forest, afforestation is impressive solution to overuse and reconstruction of natural forest. Afforestation is more viable solution as it provides raw material for human use without harming the nature. Furthermore, it is also extend the benefit of trees and forests to barren land, resulting economic growth of the region. Thank you.